And so we have the application installation. So we're going to install some programs, some system utilities. Okay. So examples, MADAV, WinRAR. Okay, paiwait lang nato ang MADAV okay, para dili siya mag-block sa other application. So example, mag-install ta og unsa nga software. Let us see. So refresh the computer, pangitaon asa gi-save ang application. So this is for educational purposes only. So example VLC, click yes. Open, then okay. Just click next, 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 then install. So, ang sekreto lang sa installation sa apps is open, next, next, I accept, I agree, yes this time. As long as dili ka mag-cancel, as long as imo siyang i-continue, mahuman o mahuman ra gyud siya. Okay, you just wait the computer to load and click finish. So that is how we install the VLC. Another application will be WinRAR. Just open, right click, open, then click yes. Click install, then just wait, then finish. Always run as administrator. Right click, open, run as administrator. Then okay. So next will be okay, so it loads. So example, another will be Chrome. So simple, right click, run as administrator. Then you wait to load, then you hit yes, and you wait the computer to load. Then more to siya, mahuman na dayon. Simply right click, open, then yes, mahuman na po dayon siya i-install. Okay, so on your marks. Installing the Chrome. Then we have the Adobe Reader. So as you can see, we're done installing the Chrome. So you just click close. Let us proceed with the Adobe Reader or the PDF Reader. So again, right click, run as administrator, click yes. So installation begins. Click next, next, then yes. Again, you wait for the instruction to finish, then as long as you do not click cancel, it will be finished successfully. Okay, so just click finish. Now for the Microsoft Office, just open the Microsoft folder and locate the term setup at the end of the file. So just click setup. So always run as administrator. Just simply right click the setup, click yes, click I accept, continue, then install now. If you'd like to customize, example Word lang i-install, PowerPoint lang, Excel lang, so you click customize, pero kompleto siya, kananaa, click install now. As simple as that, okay? Click install now, computer will load, and you will wait until it finished successfully. Okay? So click close, Then we have for driver SDI, which is the most important part, no? Pag mag-install ka ng operating system, kapilan yun na to. SMADAV. Open the SMADAV. Then open the SDI. Then click the SDI update. Open. Then select the term application, second to the last. Right click. Then run as administrator. Same pattern, you click yes. Click allow. So two ways. You can click in select all. So pwede tayo mag-click sa select all. It will ask you or it will give you the automatic configuration. So makita siya kung sa driver na kulang. Yeah, we just simply click install. Ana lang. So pag-open sa SMADAV, SDI, you click select all, mangita siya kung sa driver nga kulang. Yan, click nimo ang install tab nasa left side. Okay, yes, SMADAV, open. Click ang iyahang setup, run as administrator. Okay. Next, I accept. Next, install. So mapaabot tahan doon mahuman. Then click launch this SMADAV, then finish. Open the SMADAV. Sa atuang system tray kanang naay arrow, click lang nato na siya. So open. So madto ta sa settings. Then copy paste nato ang iyang serial, open the key. So right click na siya, copy. Nasa taskbar. Click lang nato na siya. Right click, paste. Pagkauman, the key. Right click, copy, then paste. Again, this is for educational. Ang process, ang flow lang nato ang sunod. Okay, just click OK. Then it will register. Done. Congratulations. You made it to your COC1. Congratulations!